do it.
Okay, wait, don't stop it. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure to check out this girl. What is your YouTube channel called?
But I don't have any subscribers yet.
Yeah, so make sure, I'm gonna link it inside the description. I don't even know how to do links. Anyway.
Well, if you want to know my name, it's Laura.
Yes, and I'm Ren, and I'm her best friend.
Yeah.
It's raining right now. That's why I'll be saying that song.
Yeah.
And stuff. And I'm sorry if you called our song annoying. Anyway, what's your channel called? Is it called Anime?
Anime.
Yeah, Anime.
No,
Okay.
it's not called
Wait.
Anime. It's called Melody Moon.
Melody Moon. Okay. Well, bye-bye.
Bye.